This may be the most important takeaway from this entire course. Resonate with the real pain points and motivators of your customers, and you will find success. Build your entire online presence around these motivators. You will hopefully have some revelations similar to this when you create your buyer personas. So how do we create buyer personas? Okay, there are a ton of templates on the internet, and there's guides to help you do just this. And depending on the template you choose, you'll put down certain information. Let's go over what most of the buyer persona builder templates have you write down. You want to start off by thinking of a typical client that you love working with. You may have a few types of clients that you love working with, and so you'd want to create a separate buyer persona for each type of client. So to begin, think of one client that you know of and love. You want more clients like this, and base your answers off of this person. You're going to start by putting down this person's age, working status, and title, information about where they work, such as the size of the company and the dynamics there. And you want to know their education status as well as their marital status and their children. As you saw from the example I gave you, one of the most important parts of creating a buyer persona is going through a typical timeline of their day. From what time do they wake up? What do they do in the morning, afternoon, evening? And then what do they do all the way until going to sleep? And what time is that? And this gives you real insight into what their priorities and their pain points may be. You also answer some questions about what worries them on a daily basis, even if it has nothing to do with your business. It will certainly help you understand why they may purchase from you